welcome back to the channel. So guys, I've been away for a little while. I haven't published any videos in a couple of weeks. I apologize. I had to take a break. Just needed a break. Hadn't really felt like doing it. But I'm back and I have a new mod to do to 6x6. Something came in today. The Hobbywing Quickrun Fusion brushless 2-in-1 system. You may have heard me mention that I wanted a Fusion for the 6x6. I got one. So we're going to go over to the bench, get this unpackaged, get it into the 6x6, and then we got to go out and we got to test it out. So I hope you'll stick around for that. All right, guys. So here it is unpackaged. You get your user manual, the system itself. This is it. This is your ESC, your motor, everything all in one. Has that plug already on it, your power switch, your lead to the ESC. It comes with this program card for it, along with one's looks like an extension for your lead. This is the cable to connect your program card to it to actually program it. Some stickers, and it comes with a couple zip ties for mounting it. So I'm very, very excited to, have this. I'm going to get the 6x6 over here, get it up here. I'm going to go ahead and get the old stuff out, get this in there, and then I'll come back and show you what we got. All right, so we have the Hobbywing Fusion installed. Stock spur, didn't change that. One little modification I had to do to get it in here, it is a little longer than the stock motor that is in this. That right here on the side of the battery, or not the battery, but your receiver box, there's a little piece that sticks out. I'm not really sure what that's for. It looks like it had a hole in it for something to potentially bolt there. I basically cut that off because it was interfering with the motor. The other thing is, if you see right here, the battery tray is sort of sitting on the edge of it. It's sort of cocked. There's actually a screw right here that I took out to allow that flex. I may possibly cut the end of this battery tray off, but honestly, I'm wanting a different battery tray, like a low center of gravity battery tray for the Axial 6x6. Haven't had really much success finding one. If you happen to know one, please comment below and let me know, because I am looking for one. I'm even willing to 3D print one if somebody's designed one, because I do have a 3D printer. So it's installed. I have tested that it works. I'm going to go through the program card, set the settings, and we're going to go outside and see what it does on the local crawl spot. Stick around. All right, our first runs with the Fusion and the 6x6. We are at the Exoplex, Exocaged RC's backyard course. Has nice control, slow speed control is really good, nice and smooth. Got the punch when I need it. I made some changes to the drag brake, and we're going to try this set of rocks here at the Exoplex. Mostly looking for drag brake adjustments here. Oh, look at that, nice and hold. That's what I was looking for. It's another good place. Test drag brake right here. Nice, it holds. Nice. Nice. I like it. There, sitting on the drag brake. See if I can. Look at that, look at that. Nice drag brake. Loving that drag brake. Definitely like it's got nice punch to it when I need it. So there you have it, guys, the new Fusion system on my Axial 6x6. I like this, like it a lot. I've been wanting this, and I've been wanting it particularly for the 6x6. I really, really like it. Once I got the drag brake adjusted properly, it holds perfectly, no issues, nice and smooth, still has nice power, even a little bit of wheel speed, the right amount of wheel speed for that 6x6. I do plan in our winter series this year, I'm gonna run class 1, class 2 like I normally do, and I'm also going to run the 6x6 class with my Axial 6x6. For the most part, I think I'm done with it. We'll see. Who knows? Maybe I'll do something with the body at some point. I'm curious, anybody else have the Fusion? What do you think of it? What do you have it in? Please comment down below. I'll put a link where you can purchase this. I recommend it. It's a great system, compact, all in one, just does fit inside the Axial 6x6. Guys, I hope you like what you see today. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time.